Today we will learn something about as GST, which is required in SAP. All all are aware, I think so. GST. GST means goods, service, and taxes in simple language. Generally, the tax calculation procedure is differing from country to country. Where we, various countries follow their own taxation rate. We also follow our own taxation rate. It's direct and indirect tax. In that, one of that is GST. According to the government policy and revenue resources, it levies the taxes on goods. For the purpose of tax, each country develops its own structure of taxation independently. To get the revenue and for the structure of the taxation independently, every country follow its own structure independently. While implementing the project, we must learn and understand the tax structure of the country and has to apply the project as per the business requirement. Here the project means while implementing the SAP into the company or organization, so we have to understand the tax structure of the country and has to apply as per the same as the project or for the business requirement. Now SAP is a standard software, hence we all know, hence it is not all developed for any country, especially for any country's requirements specially. It has been globally developed. It will be conformed or designed separately for that company, which company will use for their business requirement. Means SAP is been here designed not for special one country, but it's developed globally, and it will be conformed and designed separate for the company which they require for their business requirement. GST is a goods and service tax which is applicable in India from July 1st 2017 onwards. There are two types of taxes in GST. That one is input tax and other is output tax. Input tax means the tax on which goods, purchase or services. On means when we purchase goods, the tax supply. It is called input tax, and the output tax is means the tax on sale of goods and services. And when the goods is being sold, the tax implemented on it is called as output tax. With the help of condition and process key, the SAP create the tax procedure for the country of the company. For processing the input and output tax, we have to use the tax calculation procedure to apply the relevant taxes in SAP system for the requirement of that company. Now, thank you, friends. Have a nice day.